Hi, I'm Sarah, film and television editor, but I also have a side baking business called Lucky Treats.
Boop, 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 boop.
I am not the best chocolate chip cookie maker, but I love chocolate chip cookies. Every time I make them, they're not so good. So I scoured the internet and I found a website that has 4 secrets to make the perfect chocolate chip cookie and a recipe to go along with it. Let's start making that dough.
Sift flours, baking soda, baking powder, and salt into a bowl. Sifty, sift, sift, sifty, sift. Cream butter and sugars together.
Secret number 1.
Mix the butter and the sugars together for at least 3 to 5 minutes. This helps the sugars dissolve and the butter to get floofy.
Who doesn't love floofy butter?
Add 1 egg. Boop. Mixy mix, mix, mix. Add the second egg. Boop. Mixy mix, mix, mix. Add vanilla. Boop. Boop. Scrapety scrape, scrape. Reduce speed to low and add your dry ingredients. Mix just until combined. Add bittersweet chocolate discs instead of chips. The discs make all the difference. Look at that chocolate. That's some pretty good looking cookie dough. Saran it up.
Secret number 2. It says to let the dough rest in the refrigerator for 36 hours. Who has those kind of patience? Apparently, it allows the dry ingredients to fully soak up the eggs, which makes for a perfect textured cookie. I will be back tomorrow to bake them and taste them, and let's hope I actually made a decent chocolate chip cookie. I mean, it'd be really embarrassing to have a baking show and on the baking show have a chocolate chip cookie, taste it, and go, ew. I'll see you tomorrow. Welcome to day 2 of baking the perfect chocolate chip cookie. Let's get the dough out of the refrigerator. I had to leave the dough on the counter for a few hours to soften. Secret number 3. Make big cookies. We are going to be measuring the dough in 1/3 measuring cups. That makes for a 5-inch cookie.
Set oven to 350. Boop, 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 boop.
Secret number 4. Okay, this is the final secret. Right before you slide your dough balls into the oven, give a little sprinkle of sea salt on the top. It'll add to the taste and bring out the complexity of the flavors.
Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Let the cookies bake for 15 to 20 minutes. You want the crispy golden brown edges with the soft, gooey center.
The cookies look good, but how do they taste? Kind of looks delicious. I made a really good chocolate chip cookie. If I can make a good chocolate chip cookie, you can make a good chocolate chip cookie. Because I'm telling you, this is the first good chocolate chip cookie I've made. Feel free to follow me on Instagram at lucky.treats. Happy baking and really good chocolate chip cookie eating. I'm not sharing. Chocolate chip cookie dance.